The job market is crowded, but skilled data analysts are scarce. Which side do you want to be on? In today's world, data analysis is no longer a bonus skill. It is a real advantage, and those who understand data are the ones getting ahead. Businesses are looking for people who can do more than just look at numbers. They need people who can clean data, analyze it, interpret it, and turn it into clear reports and smart profit-driven decisions. At Digital Dreams ICT Academy, our data analysis course is designed to give you practical skills for real opportunities. In this course, you will learn how to use Excel, MySQL, Tableau, Python, and Power BI to analyze and interpret data, clean and organize messy data, build charts, reports, and interactive dashboards. You will also work on practical projects that strengthens your skills. In just 12 weeks, you will gain practical data analysis skills through structured learning and hands-on practice. By the end, you will have a portfolio of practical projects, a professional certificate, and a recommendation letter to help you stand out. Register now and start building practical data analysis skills at Digital Dreams ICT Academy.